Y'all look at this. Look at this sandwich. It was so good, y'all. I could not wait to stop filming before I took me a bite. I made French onion dip sandwiches, and let me tell you how I made them because they were so good. I started by seasoning my chuck roast, and you can use whatever seasoning you like. I used my all-purpose seasoning. I got out my cast iron and seared them all on both sides. I decided to use my pressure cooker because it was already too late. I didn't have time for the low and the slow. So I put 2 cups of beef broth and then another cup I mixed with au jus and brown gravy mix. While that was going, I caramelized me some onions. I added some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit more broth, and some minced garlic. I then put my roast into the pressure cooker. It went about an hour, maybe 25 minutes. And I made sure, I added my onions as well. And I set it to go for about an hour, 25 minutes. I added rosemary. I would have loved to add thyme, but I was out. But look how tender it was. So once it's done, you want to shred your meat up and return it back to your gravy. And then I got these whole wheat rolls. These rolls were so good. They were so soft and light. I put some cheap provolone cheese down. Some people use like a sauce. I was nervous about that being that we were going to dip the sandwiches. So I just went straight for the cheese. Then you take that shredded meat and you put it on your bread. Oh my God, y'all. I'm gonna make this again because this was so good. So then after you put your meat on your bread, I wanted to put a little bit more onions, but I was out. But next time I think I'm gonna saute some more onions to put on top. You then take some of that good gravy that you just made and put that in a separate bowl, and you just dip your sandwich into that gravy. And I dressed mine with some chips just to give it that crunch because I was just so nervous about it being soggy, but it was not at all. It was so good. It was, I'm gonna make this again. This is gonna be on the list in rotation in my house. Y'all gotta try it.